But guys, to receive this clothing rack with shelf for bin purposes, it comes with instructions on how to install it. And all the pieces are really well protected, and they come in this beautiful gold color, as you can see. Even the wall pieces comes with this really beautiful gold color, which I find really nice. All the pieces comes really well protected with bubble wrap, which I think it's really excellent. And it also comes with all the pieces that you need to install, all those screws and everything, which I think it's an excellent option. And it also has the shelves, which are of a really nice white color, and I think they are really nice sized, okay? The installation is actually really easy, but I will recommend being 2 persons install it. And it's really nice because you can select which side you want those shelves, which I think it's an excellent option. And once it's already installed, you can just place all your shirt, all your clothes into the space, because it has a really big bearing capacity, and all the product, it's really strong. It's really firm. And the 4-tier shelves are really nice, so you can display all your daily accessories or items that you need of daily use, which I think it's great. Overall, I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.